Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am doing another challenge video, which is one dip makeup challenge. If you don't know what this challenge is, it's basically you have to only dip once for any product. Let it be eyeshadow, let it be foundation, let it be concealer. You can only dip once, if that makes sense. I saw Nikki tutorials do this yesterday. That's why I thought it's a pretty good challenge, so let me also do it. So here I am doing this challenge. Wish me luck. Let's see how this goes. So without any further ado, let's get started. This primer, I'm using the Maybelline primer. Only one dip. I'm gonna show you. That's it. So I'm just gonna apply it over. Yeah, it's okay-ish amount. Not that much and not too much and not very less. So I can work with this. Okay, starting was pretty easy. Let's see how this goes. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 228 Soft Tan. I tell this in all my videos, so yeah. Okay. Now this one I have to dip my sponge only once. That's it. And all the other products is wasted, literally. So let the sponge take everything. Oh my god. No. This is not enough. Next, I'm going with my concealer. This is a stick concealer, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. How should I do this? Okay. I just rubbed the excess foundation. So I'm just gonna put my concealer here. Just like this. Back of my hand. Taking the same beauty sponge and taking like one dip. I took. Okay, something is happening. Something is happening. Yes. I don't use much concealer, so yeah, I think this is perfect. Now I'm just gonna bake my face. Oh my god, this is the hardest part of this challenge, I feel. I'm taking my sponge again and using this side of it. Let it soak. I'm just keeping this aside. That's a lot. Oh my god. Oh no. There's no product left. I'm gonna use my Beauty Glazed Color Studio eyeshadow palette, and I don't know what to do. I want to do something good. So for the first shade, I'm gonna use this brown shade. Just one dip. One here, one there. Oh my god. No. Okay, this is pretty good. I like it so far. Next, I'm gonna use the black shade. And wait, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, it's looking fabulous. It's looking so good. Oh my god, I can ace this challenge. These days I do my brows. I don't know how I'm gonna do my brows now. I take this shade every time for my eyebrows. So I have too much product. Oh my god. I'm scared. Oh no 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 no. Next comes the mascara. I'm using my Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. This is gonna be tough. Okay, I'll just take my mirror. So far, so good. Next comes highlighting. So I'm gonna use my Swiss Beauty palette, this shade right here. And I'm just gonna go in a lot of it like this. Yeah, I got enough. Okay, so now for blush, I was thinking to take my beauty sponge and taking this shade. This is the blush shade in this palette, and I'm just gonna take this part, just gonna dip it. Oopsies. It will work as a highlighter as well. I'll do some bronzing because I love bronzing my face. I'm gonna take this shade. It's already finished, as you guys can see. I'm just gonna take this. I really love this look, how it is turning out to be. Time for lipstick. So I'm using my Maybelline lipstick. This is in the shade Raw Cocoa. This very pretty shade, like very nudish shade. Okay, how do I take this? Like, okay, for one dip, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do like one strike. That's it. Oh no, I need more. Setting spray, I'm using the NYX matte finish fine setting spray. What, only one sprint. I'll just go like this. That's it. It didn't even absorb, like, oh my god. Okay, so I'm done with my look, guys. I absolutely love this look, but it's not the best look. But overall, I think the foundation and the concealer is a little bit less, but it didn't hide my, black spots and everything here. But other than that, the eyes are so good. Oh my god, the smoky eye is so look, and I love black smoky eye. The first video I ever did in my channel was a black smoky eye because I love it so much, and this turned out to be better than that. I feel like, yeah, I'm improving. Okay, so how do you like this look? Comment down below and let me know. If you like this challenge video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. One dip makeup challenge. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys already guessed, as we got 228 soft tan. I tell it in all the videos. Like, I tell all.